Hi Akshay, good afternoon. जी पूछिए. Hi, good afternoon.
Transformers Rectifiers India Limited at 891 today. I want to know is it a price to enter? Actually, I have already said it. Also, for short term, I need the target.
Okay, sure. So, Akshay calling Akshay हो गया ये तो. Akshay wants to know from you on Transformers and Rectifiers के ऊपर क्या करना चाहिए. आज खरीद लिया इन्होंने 891 पर. So, has he entered at the right price? And short term के लिए if you can suggest a target.
So, the way I see it, the momentum is very strong in this stock, and it is more of a stock which moves on circuit if you look at the daily prices. So, volumes might be a concern. You need to kind of have this on your mind because, the volumes are less, it runs on circuit. So, right now we are on upper circuit, so that's a good thing for you. But in case it reverses, because it's also known to move on lower circuit at times. So have your stop losses in place. It is more of a counter which is about riding the momentum. So I would not advise you to invest in this stock right now. As I see, chasing the momentum can give you targets till 940 or 950. There is where you should take your profits. But again, I suggest do not get into liquid counters which run on circuit because when it fails, the risk of not able to exit the counter is very high.
All right.
Subscribe.